Students, I recorded a video yesterday in which I started the video saying that I'm frustrated with the flip-flop which happens in decisions. Earlier it was said that syllabus will not be reduced. Now it is being communicated syllabus would be reduced. I should not have said that. There is no reason for me to get frustrated, and more importantly, there is no reason for you to get frustrated, because ultimately what is important is we have to focus on what is in our control. Right? We have to focus on what is in our control, and we should not worry about what things are not in our control. And I will tell you what you need to do. But first thing you need to understand is, Minister is on video now saying syllabus is reduced. The link of the video is given in video description. There is, I've done a marking also. My frustration yesterday was I was not able to find this video and exactly confirm to myself that something like this has happened. So when you see that portion of the clip, a student, Minister was visiting Kendriya Vidyalaya in Andrewsganj in Delhi. He gave a speech. After that, he took questions from students from all over the Kendriya Vidyalayas across the country. One student asked a question from Gurgaon, and in response, he said this. I don't want to play the video because of copyright issues, but this is what he said. He said in Hindi, I've converted it in English. Therefore, when JEE and NEET exams are conducted, the syllabus that has been reduced by 30%, weightage of the chapters will be increased from 100 to 150. Forget about 100 to 150. What he's basically saying is, reduced portion, questions would come from the same portion. So which he clarifies again, so that you get questions from reduced syllabus only. Therefore, you don't have to worry. You will get questions from reduced syllabus only. This is what he said. So what this means is, Minister is on video saying syllabus is reduced. So that thing is clear. Now there are some open questions which will get clear from NEET notification, which is not more than 7 to 10 days away. So you don't have to worry about it. What are the open questions? You must have seen PDFs floating around. PDFs have reduced syllabus for both 11th and 12th. But if the syllabus is reduced, the logic is students could not go to the school. Teachers tried to teach online. They might not have been able to teach online properly. So they reduce the burden by 30% by reducing the syllabus. But this should ideally be applicable on 12th syllabus only. Whether it would be applicable on 12th only or also on 11th, this thing is still an open question, but would get clarified by NEET notification. So don't worry about it. Other questions which are open, it would be online exam or offline exam. Means would it be online or pen paper OMR like it has traditionally happened? This will also get cleared from NEET notification. Will it happen once or twice? This will also get cleared from NEET notification, and NEET notification is not more than 7 to 10 days away, right? So what I'm saying is, physics, chemistry, bio, you have total 96 chapters. In bio 12th, there are 5 chapters that are reduced: reproduction in organism, evolution, strategies for enhancement in food production, ecosystem and environmental issues. In chemistry, 3 chapters are reduced: metallurgy, polymers, chemistry in everyday life, right? 8 chapters, right? It still leaves 88 chapters to focus on. Focus on these 88 chapters. Forget about these 8 chapters till the time NEET notification comes and all the clarity is going to be there. And all the problem is gone. You don't have to worry about anything else. We will provide you all the information whenever it comes. But right now, the thing that I'm recommending to you is just focus on these 88 chapters. As simple as that. Don't worry about these 8 chapters for now. I told you the names of these chapters, because we have to focus on what is in our control. You're already fighting for an exam in which 16 lakh people write the exam for 40,000 seats. Can you afford taking more troubles in your head? No, you cannot. So you have to stop focusing on something which is not in your control. This decision, what exactly would be the case, would be clear from NEET notification. So don't worry about it. Right now, focus on the 88 chapters which are there. This is my second thing. Third thing which I'm saying is what we will do on NEET prep. So on question bank for all the 12th chapters, class 12 chapters, we will mark, like we have marked from NCERT, we will also mark from reduced syllabus. Right? So that you don't end up wasting time on questions which are not going to be in syllabus. It is now almost certain that at least 12th portion, the PDFs that you have seen, we will upload the PDF on Telegram also. 12th portion is not going to be NEET syllabus. This is because Minister is on video. Now, I don't see a reason why he would flip on his own words, but this is the case, right? Second thing that we will do is, in the test series, we will have from reduced portion only, reduced syllabus only. Okay? So this is what it is. It is as simple as this. You have to stop worrying about what is in your what is not in your control. What is not in your control are decisions which are going to get communicated through NEET notification, which is expected in 7 to 10 days, not later than that. Till that point of time, what is in your control is focus on these 88 chapters and stop worrying about everything else. Go back to studies and stop worrying about these things which are not in your control, because they are going to distract you. Distraction is your biggest enemy right now, and you have to avoid these distractions absolutely. So I want a promise from you in the comment section of the video that you are not going to get distracted with everything that is going on. I've told you simple solution of this problem, and whenever any new information comes, we will communicate to you, but I need promise from you that you're not going to use abusive word against education minister or anyone else. Stop using abusive words about the situation you are in. Forget about it. Everything is good, all is well. Just focus on these chapters. We will do this part on our side, and just think about every time you are going to get distracted, think about it whether something on which you're getting distracted, is it in your control, is it not in your control? If it is not in your control, it's not worthy of your time and your distraction. Stop and go back to studies. All right, students.